Republic Day speech in English. Below is the Republic Day speech in English for school and college students. Honorable principals, respected brothers and sisters, and my dear friends, as we all know, today is the 25th Republic Day of India. My name is Harsh Kumar, and on this precious day, I have got a chance to deliver my Republic Day speech front of you all. As we know that the Indian Constitution was added on 26 January 1950 with certain set of rules and regulations. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the victory of Republic Day and in this memory to great men like Rajendra Prasad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution in the world. The time duration taken to draft the Indian Constitution was 2 years, 11th month and 11th days. It was drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to establish the structure, procedures, power and duties of government in, in situations and set the fundamental rights, direct principles and duties of citizens. Republic Day is a celebrating of our unity in diversity. India has different culture, language, religions, and traditionals. Our tricolor flags symbolizes the unique, the saffron colors significance, strength and courage. The white middle brand indicate peace and truth with the dharma chakra, and the green showing the facility, growth, and equipoisness of our land. As we celebrate this day, let us also acknowledge the process India has made over the years. Our advancement in technology, medicine, science, and space exploration have put us on the world map. However, our journey is not without change. We are a nation, a crossroads, grappling with issues to poverty, inequality, environmental degradation, and social injustice. This change calls for collective action, involvement, and the commitment to the principle of our constitutions. On this day, let us also remember and pay tribute to our brave soldiers who guard our borders and ensures our safety, and to the countless freedom fighters whose sacrifice led to the breath on this Republic Day. Courage and love for the motherland continue in inspiration. Currently, we need to fulfill the dream of Mahatma Gandhi to make India the developed country, and we both can decide that what India will be next 5 years. As we know that the Republic Day, the President of France, Emmanuel Macron, has been invited to attend the Indian Republic Day celebration. We have started as new highest again from Chandrayaan to IT sector. India made a significant growth. At last, I want to